So we are going into Ikea, and I'm really excited because this is our second time going into here, and it's pretty big. So see you guys inside. Oh, and they have their own cafe, and people like love the food, especially the Swedish meatballs, I heard.
That's a good deal, Mama. Which south or winner?
Hi, Kaela. Oh, I like those. Those are pretty. I like them. It's a cafe. Yay. It's lunchtime and I'm hungry. Coffee. I like the yellow chairs. They pop out. They pop out. Hi, Dad. So we're gonna be ordering our food and we'll get back to you and you'll see what we got.
I didn't see a web shop.
Cookies with raspberry filling and cookies with chocolate filling. So we got sun chips and we got french fries and chicken tenders. Yeah.
Fries are really good. I love them. So we are leaving the good old cafe and we are going to look at the furniture and stuff now. I like that. I really like these little like woven hang things. I don't know what they're called, but they're really cool. I know.
I like
Jinx.
perfect size.
Oh, I love Ikea. It's so pretty. Like,
I love.
oh, look at this setup. That's cute. Ooh, this is really cute. I like this. I love that pillow. Oh my gosh. It's like a little bench. And then it has
So easy.
like little compartments.
Look at this. It's feel that.
Oh, that's so comfy.
I want this.
I'll tell you, these.
I like this couch over here. This is what I was talking about. That if you can see it.
That's a bright chair in the bedroom.
Hello, this is so soft.
This is a nice setup. The only little thing is that the table is really small. We have 5 people in our family, so that would not fit us.
And we have 2 more visiting.
Yeah, Grandma and Grandpa are visiting.
Go to sleep.
Yeah, let's go to sleep.
Mommy.
I really actually, this is a,
Oh my gosh, it even has shirts.
yeah, the closet even has shirts in it.
I'm going to sleep with you, Mom.
So, what am I going to wear today? Look, look at this. Check this out.
Oh, the light's flickering.
Oh my gosh, look at high heels. Mom, can I wear some of your high heels today?
Oh my gosh. I have high heels. So, which high heels? I think these.
Those ones.
No! Somehow I hot glued my high heels together.
Probably so nobody can try them on or steal them or anything.
If you did try them on, it would be kind of like easy, but then you'll be like, oh, I'm going to struggle.
Ooh, it has a zip tie.
And the nice little brown carpets.
I'm not.
Ooh, it says Diary 2016. Dun dun dun.
It's Mom's diary.
Uh-oh, Mom's keeping
Oh my
secrets.
gosh, there's actually stuff
Oh
in
my
there.
gosh, there's stuff. What does it say? Bobby Hart Taylor 2016 forever.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, there's actually stuff in here. The kitchen?
Look inside.
Oh my gosh, I never knew we had another part in our house.
In our house.
We have a gardening house. Mom,
Oh, look at this house. This house is cool too.
Look,
That's really cool.
connected to our house.
Yeah, it has like, there's a lot of green.
This is a gardening house.
I like this setup. This kitchen kind of looks like ours,
And then in water.
except for like different colors.
Look, and then
And then there's like
Do you girls
gardening
want coffee?
stuff. Oh, she's watering the flowers. Let's go look at the next one. Ooh, that's pretty. So there's the TV, like the little holders, the little table, like the kitchen.
Sitting in the living room watching TV.
Okay, girls, I'm gonna cook dinner. I mean breakfast. Do you guys want some like coffee, like frappuccinos?
I want a
Ooh,
frappuccino.
I want a frappuccino.
I want a birthday cake frappuccino.
Okay, I want
Cook them in like
mint chocolate chip.
They not.
I forgot where I placed all our cups, girls, so I didn't have to look. Ow!
You forgot where you placed all our cups.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get.
Let's look out the window.
this?
Wait, you can't see out the window.
Okay.
What is this?
I think my mint chocolate chip.
A circle sink.
Is this mine?
Yeah. Sweetie, go sit at the table. Do you want some powdered sugar in it?
Yeah, Mom. Oh my gosh, that's actually really cool.
Mine smells like actually.
Let's go ahead and sit down at the table.
I want this.
I know, that's really cute.
Mint chocolate chip frappuccino is delicious.
I want pancakes.
Pancakes?
Yeah, pancakes with powdered sugar.
I want waffles with powdered sugar.
So let me get.
Can I mix it? Can I mix it?
Yeah, go ahead. So all you gotta do is go like that, mix the mix. The pancakes.
Oh.
Mix. Now, do you guys want some chocolate chips in it?
Yay, and powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar.
Yeah.
I want waffles.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put them on the plate.
Okay.
Do you need any help?
No. I don't know where I put one. The plate is so soft.
We don't even know where we put all our plates. Here. Nice assortment in this. We should in the next house.
In the living room. This is
Well, there's the living room. Let's go here. I know, I love that. Oh, pancakes are ready. Okay. It's kind of dark in here, actually. It's a little dark in here.
Okay, I'm going
Ooh, yay,
to.
powdered sugar. Yummy powdered sugar. With my little frappuccino with tons and tons in there, obviously.
Yeah, same here.
Let's go ahead and we need a fork.
Chocolate syrup, and if you want to mix
Yum.
together.
Put some syrup on my pancakes that are definitely here. Okay.
Oh, the silverware. I'm getting it. You guys,
Yeah, forks,
you
please.
can totally fix that. Because I'm a cool
Yeah,
mom.
let's fix this because you're a cool mom. Let's go look in this other one. Ooh, I love this one. I don't know which one I like the best so far, but there's a couple more to go. Ooh, this poster. It's a table. It could possibly fit 5 people. I mean, I like the carpet and stuff. I just like looking at all the house stuff. It's really cool. Ooh, I like that table. That's a cute print. I really like this house. It's very colorful.
I love this. It's like a little.
Oh, I love that.
Look at that. Wait, how do you open? Oh, that's cool.
Let's go look. It even has like kid area, like with all the toys.
Sweetie, do you
and-
want to come play?
Look at this.
That's cute. Like desk area, I like this chair.
My playroom. This is what I. This is my favorite thing.
That's cute. cute. Those are cute. Oh, I love this couch.
Mom, I could totally put my like drawings up here with these like little clips.
Ooh, I like this one too. They're all really cool. I love them all.
This is my
That's a cute table. Ooh. Ooh, I love that. It's like a little bench. That's cute.
Mommy,
Ooh, a dollhouse.
yeah. This is
This is my dream area. Look at this area. Oh my god. And I can just like sit. Oh, I like this chair. Disco ball. Oh my god.
I love this chair. It's so pretty. I love the light. They have a lot of cool lights. So cool. So soft. I'm gonna probably, yeah, let's see. It's nice and spacey. There's a little hole. Relax.
We're at Panda City now. We're just going downstairs now.
That was only the first floor.
We have lots more to go.
Lots of green buckets.
What is that? Oh, here's some little stuff.
Yeah, little utensils.
Smushed potatoes.
Smushed you.
You could use this for omelets.
I could use it.
There's like a little setup right here. Plants and like
Some
pots and
salad.
pans, towels. I think this is all just like a lot of kitchen stuff.
Dairy. Wait, what is this do?
Follow the arrows.
These are some quick little handles. They have
Those
to
are
be careful.
cute.
Jars are, I like jars. I don't know why. I have a obsession with jars. These are so cute. Whoa, that's a dream jar.
This looks like kind of like a
That's
jam
cool.
jar.
A jam jar.
A jam jar.
Whoa, that's a lot of meat.
That's bright. That's very bright.
I like the color though.
What are these?
It's cool.
Like plates? I don't know.
Yeah, I think they're like little
Like
plates.
little flashes.
A lot of napkins. A lot of plates and silverware and stuff.
This carpet is so soft.
I like that clock.
Oh, that's a cute
I
clock.
wish I had in like one of
I never seen it.
That is one crazy bed.
crazy.
There's like tons of different
Look at this in the background.
like themes.
Pretty soft.
Oh my gosh, there's so many pillows.
outside.
Oh, oh, those are pretty soft. There's a lot of curtains. Oh my gosh, this looks so fuzzy. That's so soft.
Put the winter.